Virtual Fun Art. Web 3.
Hiya, my name is Jamie from Virtual Fun Art, and today I'm going to talk about Soneium Score and how Arkada can actually help improve your score. So for those that don't know, Soneium is actually funded by Sony Corporation. It's what made me interested in the Soneium project in the first place. If you've got a big company like Sony funding the project, yeah, I definitely want to know about it. The reason why they have this Soneium score is to basically prove that you are human, and you've got humans using their blockchain. So it's quite a good thing to have. It's like a reputation, if you like a on-chain reputation. So to get to this website, it's soneium.org, and this appears, and you basically log in via your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, to actually enter the portal. And whilst you're in the portal, you're given certain challenges to do. Really, the goal is to get the maximum score for that season. I mean, I've joined quite late, unfortunately. I'm on season 5, and I have a score of 90 out of 100. I believe you have to get a score of at least 80 to actually claim a badge for that season. So it looks like I will be getting that badge. And when I first started doing the challenges, this is the sort of thing they kind of point you towards, is doing these kind of things, such as swapping currency, doing having a go at certain games like red button, where you pay a certain amount of currency to press the red button and get NFTs. So it's basically all designed to help you explore the Soneium ecosystem and all the different apps that live on that system. So when I first started this, I did struggle to try and increase my score, and then I discovered Arkada, which is actually someone who works quite close with Soneium, and part of the Soneium ecosystem. This is the Arkada website, and the first thing I noticed actually, so Sony, as you can see, their logo's got that circle, and Arkada has the triangle. That reminds me of the PlayStation controls. You have a circle and triangle. It's that sort of shows, it's like symbolizes their partnership to me. So how Arkada helps improve your Soneium score? Well, there's this very this layout is excellent. Basically, it's got loads of different quests you can do pretty much every day to help you explore the Sony ecosystem, and by doing that, that's going to help increase your score. So anything you do on the Soneium ecosystem, if you go onto different apps and you're doing transactions or holding money in certain on certain chains, you can help increase your score by doing that. So for example, it's got here, boost your score with AV. So if I click that, it gives me an idea of what this quest is about and what I have to do. So in this case, it just wants me to supply a small amount of ETH on the AV network, AV app, I should say. It could even be like 30 pence worth of ETH. That's what I've been doing. It helps you pass the challenge. After you've done that, you get Arkada points, and also it helps improve your Soneium score. Now you're probably thinking like, why? Sorry, I got a cough. Why bothering, improve my Arkada score? Well, they actually have some benefits to that as well. So here they have a very good season performance map. So when you contribute towards the Arkada system, you can actually improve things like on-chain score, Discord score. They want to keep track of who's actually invested in their project, and by doing so, you can get high up on the leaderboard and therefore win things like Ethereum, or even NFTs. Yeah, so that's a good benefit. But I think the main benefit is actually they teach you more about the Soneium ecosystem. They help you teach about what apps are actually out there. I didn't realize there was so many different applications on the Soneium network. Also, they get you to explore other ecosystems as well, such as Base, by doing quests on that. So it does make you more aware of Web3 applications in general, and it's quite a safe way to do it as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about that. If you want to improve your Soneium score, try it out. It's definitely a good natural way for you to increase your score, and you'll be increasing it without really trying. If you just go through them quests, it will go up. But remember, it's only the Soneium quests in particular that's going to make that score go up for Soneium. Yeah. Yeah, if you like this video, please like, share it, subscribe. Okay, bye.
Subscribe for more virtual fun art Web3 guides.